Let's have a quick market breakdown of xauusd. You can see the data here. So starting from daily, we can clearly see that last week price has been at the beginning pushing toward upside, but at the end it couldn't hold. Oh, sorry, last week it has been moving from that order block, and I don't know. Currently, we are sitting at this area, which is a good order block from which we have the reaction toward upside. Try try to push again, but it still failed. First of all, there is no fair value gap that usually make the sign that it is a range bound condition. But other than that, we do have the fair value gap toward the left. We can clearly see one fair value gap, another one, and yeah, there is no one yet. So for now, price is trying to move bullish. But at the same time, if I take a look at the overall structure of H4, we can clearly agree that price has moved toward here. Take this liquidity, and since then, it's just making the lower lows. Yeah, last week and on the Wednesday, Thursday, it was pushing bullish, but still, just to end up being bearish again. So in that sense, we are pretty much bearish. I wouldn't say anything to that unless price break above this one. Now for now, we do have this fair value gap from H4, by which I don't think price will react bearish. I mean, it has been bearish, so it has to move bearish from there. Now the question is, would price react from that fair value gap, or would it like to push toward this order block and then react from there? Now that's the question which we would like to see. I mean, we would see in the future how this one turn out. But still, let me put this one away, and yep, no, it's okay. So currently we are sitting at the H1 order block from which we are reacting bearish, but this is the massive price action. Most of the liquidity is sitting above these areas, so it would be much better. I mean, yeah, it would be much better if price move above, take all the liquidity, and then create some type of engulfing or market structure shift. Then we would like to move bearish again from there on. But still at the same time, if I take a look at the M15, we can clearly see that price has taken this liquidity and this one, but still we have this fair value gap, which is the reason price is pushing bullish. Also this whole order block here, which is also pushing the price bullish. So yeah, I mean, at this point we are just not confident enough to move bearish. If price disrespect any bullishness, I mean any bearishness like this, then it would be a much better shot while putting SL above there. Like let me see, easily 1:2, more than 1:1. Yep, good one. But still, as of now, I don't think anything to happen. I would like to wait and see. But first of all, I mean, but overall, my bias is bearish. I would like to look for bearishness, whether be it from here or after taking this liquidity or after having reaction from that order book. There you go, trade is running and it was fucking slow. I mean, right now it is looking so fast. This is the 5-minute chart, and yeah, at this moment I thought my SL was going to hit, to be honest, but then price reversed at the time, and yeah, it was a good one. And yeah, that is how it went. I mean, I had planned and act on it accordingly. It's perfectly the reason I mean, I took this area as a TP is because this zone is from daily and this is a daily order block, and I don't really want to get fucked by that. But if you take a look at what happened afterward, a big crash. So yeah, back in the old day, I would have taken like 1:2 or 1:3, but can't complain. It is what it is. It is like, okay, that's how it went. I mean, the Zhao gave me what I wanted, but show me that it has something more. Then comes the US 100, which is another interesting one. So, as yesterday everything was bearish, but again, daily was bullish, so I said I am going to be bullish. Execute on this one as I have shown you before, or let's say I'm going to show you right now. I was really feeling proud of myself, proud of my achievement in one trade, and you can see it was moving very well by now. And yeah, that's how it was going. And then Trump has to say something. Bro just right couldn't now chill. And then TP was there, and you can see price reached that TP, but still Trump said something and fucked me up, then restored TP. Can't complain about anything. I mean, it is what it is. That's the process, and we are good to move.